Okay, so happy Friday morning, early. I believe it's around 6:20 a.m. So we are going to go ahead and get started on our morning skincare routine. Plus, we're going to do an Amazon unboxing. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to moisten our skin, our face. I just did that. Now we are going to apply the gentle cleanser in. Oh, you need one squirt, y'all. Don't overdo it. And we're going to drop that. Put this evenly on our skin. All you need is one squirt. Okay. Now we're going to rinse. Okay. Going to rinse. Okay, so we got that rinsed off. So we are going to do our what? Toning. But I got some on the way. I just placed my order on my website. So we got the hydrating toner coming. Yes, the hydrating toner. So we're going to do just a little bit because all we have is a little bit in that one. So I hope everyone is doing great this Friday. We have rain. We got rain, y'all. So I don't know if I'm going to the gym. Okay, I went to the gym yesterday, had a good workout. And what are we going to do today? I don't know. It depends. It depends on, because I don't have to do nothing but lay around in the house. I don't actually have to go out anywhere. But of course, you know I got to take Coco out. But all my to do is just enjoy the day, y'all. That's what we gonna do. Enjoy the day. Oh, and I am going to be prepping for our Shabbat. Okay, yes, I'm Hebrew. Hebrew. So we're gonna go to Publix and get a roast beef salad. Yeah, I like that roast beef. I love all of Publix food. Publix is everything. Now, when you're using these toners, all the skincare products, be careful because you do not want them to get into your eyes. So go outward. So I just checked my email, and so my toner is on the way. And y'all, I also ordered my compact. It is so cutesy. I can't wait to do an unboxing of my own products this time around, because I got a new item, which is the compact mirror. So yeah, and we all need a compact mirror because we like to do our touch-ups in between, throughout the day. You want to touch up your lipstick, touch up your makeup, touch up your hair, whatever it is. So we need our compact mirror. Okay, that is good. Not much oil. Of course, I did my skin. Y'all, this will drop. We'll say this drop for tomorrow. My package should be here on no later than tomorrow. It's moving fast, and I'm glad. Okay, so next we're going to do. Next is our facial spray. Now this is by Mario Badescu, and it has aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Now this is my first time using this one. I had to get this one. Oh, that smells good and feel good. Okay, so if y'all haven't tried this aloe, cucumber, and green tea, you got to head to Ulta Beauty and get this, okay? Now I'm going to show you. Now I went to Ulta Beauty yesterday. And the reason that I went is so I could get more facial sprays, because y'all know I had just a little drop of lavender. So I got me some more lavender, aloe, chamomile, and lavender. And these are only $7. Now you could get a larger size, which is like $15 or $18. But this size is good for me because I get the different types. And of course, the aloe, cumber, and green tea. It smells so good, okay? So good. So I got these two, okay, both yesterday. And let's see. So we're going to go ahead and do this Amazon unboxing, y'all. I am so excited. Y'all see me with mine. Can y'all see pretty good? I got on my peridot necklace. I have my peridot ring. That's my birthstone. And so I wanted to get me some more peridot accessories. I thought for sure I ordered the round ones. They gave me the other ones. Wait a minute, let's see what they gave me. They give me 2 packs. No, they didn't give me 2 packs. No, but I was sure that I ordered the round ones. These are like the ones that I had before, but I had lost one of them. So, okay, so long as I have some. So, there's the peridot earrings, going real good with my peridot necklace. So, am I going to change these right now? I guess I should. Go ahead and change them. Y'all know what? Coco loves to lick in my darn ears. But she want me to clean her darn ear. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put on our peridot earrings. And last night I also ordered a anklet. Peridot anklet. But I'm gonna go back. I know good and well I ordered the round ones. This one's gonna come out. I know I did. So, but we're not gonna make no big fuss. I love them, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep them. So I hope y'all having a wonderful morning so far. Y'all know I woke up and did my y'all see that glow? That glow. That tea, that cucumber smells so good. Smells so good. So y'all know, when I wake up, I do my blessings to the Most High. So I did my morning devotion with the Most High, always. And of course, y'all know I had to grab a cup of coffee so I could wake up. And I got up and I just looked at, YouTube to see what's going on in the world. And the Most High, he's really fulfilling his prophecies real quick. I'll be surprised if we are still here in December, the way the Most High is moving, because I was just on YouTube and Abraham Traore is asking for everything that was stolen from us, all our money, all our resources back, and that's biblical. That's biblical. The Most High said it, so there is no reason for any of us asking some heathen for anything, because everything belongs to us. The Most High just allowed, He had scattered, when He scattered us to the four corners of the earth, He scattered all our wealth and resources as well, temporarily. Now He's going to gather us from the four corners of the earth and take us home, and He's going to gather all our wealth and resources from the four corners of the earth, and we've taken it back with us. Everything is ours. America is done, because America don't got nothing. Now I'm 55. Back in the day, like in the 70s and earlier, I remember my grandmother growing her fruit trees and planting her vegetables. So see, back then you didn't have to worry about no big grocery bill because you raise your own animals. Yes, raise your own animals, planted your own vegetables and fruits. But once the government stopped that, then your wallet got thin because you had to go to the grocery store now. See how they created a bill for us when there was no bill? But the Most High is putting a stop to that, and He's taking us right back to the beginning. And you know who's coming? The Most High, the Almighty Creator. Oh, yes, let's talk about it. Okay, that 3-eye atlas, that's the Most High coming. That's the Most High coming. He said that He is going to return and come and get His people, the 12 tribes of Israel. And I am from the royal tribe of Judah. I am daughter of Judah, properly pronounced Yahudah, because there's no J's in Hebrew. Yes, we are living in some very, very exciting times. We are. And I remember not so long ago, the government, the news people wouldn't dare speak of what they're speaking of now. But every day they're showing those crabs coming in. Now y'all, these are my cotton balls. I got these from none other than Ulta Beauty. This is a 200 count, 100% cotton. 100% cotton. Okay, so tell me this. What skincare products are y'all using? Are they working for you? And if you're looking for a skincare product to use, try my brand, which is I Love My Skin. That's the name of my skincare brand. I Love My Skin. And I'm going to put the link in the description box and in the comment section. Yes, I am very, very, very pleased with my skin. It's looking good. It's looking good. And y'all know what? Consistency is everything. Consistency is everything. Now, I did skincare last night. I just used my cleanser, the wash. And so this morning I get up and do the wash and the toning and the facial spray. Okay, y'all, so happy Friday. And even if you don't purchase anything, drop your email so you will know when new items are coming in, okay? And shop with us at our fitness boutique as well. I'm going to put that link in the description box. Y'all know I be hitting that gym. Don't even play. I was at the gym yesterday. I may go today. I don't know what I'm going to do today. We're just going to let it do what it did. We'll see. We'll see y'all. Okay, so happy Friday and thanks for watching.